It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
And battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I came up with next part of spatial aptitude. Yesterday I have explained you about cube cutting, right? How to cut a cube, how many pieces will be found. Now we will be going a little bit deep in this topic there. Again, without any formula. Of course, finally to remember the things. So you cannot do the entire process in the examination now. So I'll give a little bit of technique also. Now, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE, and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 students till date for CAT, UPSC, and GATE and ESE. Now, many students were asking me what is the difference between iconic and plus, and what we get more advantages in iconic rather than plus. Now, the most important thing is you will be assigned with a personal coach, and you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor and educator, so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing. You will get the best solutions there. You will be getting specialized notes and practice sets from your coach. Study booster sessions will be available. The most important thing is each and every test will be analyzed. So automatically your mistakes are identified and they are rectified, so that your score will be boosted. Got the point there? Now this is the most important thing, right? Where most of the students complain me, sir, we are not able to solve the questions even though after completing the entire syllabus. So this is where your personal coach will be helpful, right? Now, one more advantage when you choose iconic subscription, you will be getting complete access to Raudra coding classes, so that you can complete all your software courses for core branches. This will be a damn backup for you, right? Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. Now, these are the features what you get in plus and iconic. Observe it. How much you have to invest. If you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right? And you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728. And for 12 months, it means 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Of course, we are offering you some extra months, right? This is the offer right now available. And we have added this 9 months category also for you. Right now, those who are aiming at GATE 2023, this subscription will be damn helpful, right? And if you are subscribed for 9 months, you will be getting extra 2 months. If you are subscribed to 12 months, you will be getting extra 3 months. For 18 and 24, you will be getting extra 4 months. And yes, for iconic, the price will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. We heard about your concerns, right? We have decreased our iconic prices by 21%. Let us suppose take 1 year iconic price was previously 55,886. Now we made it to 52,000, where you will get printed material which is prepared by topmost educators in India. Right? So do try to subscribe to iconic for the extra added features. As I said, we are going to divide this GATE and ESE category into 4 subcategories. So very soon, right? Those who want to view all the branches, you have to subscribe right now. Yes. And already I said that you will be provided with physical notes for those whomsoever subscribe for 1 year and above iconic subscriptions. So do try to use this. Sure, we'll start the discussion here. 1 second, I'll take this slide here. So this is what I have explained you in the previous class, right? How to cut a cube. I hope so I'm clear regarding this. Right now, chalo, let's little bit increase our knowledge there, and little bit we will go in a vast manner. Let us suppose that you take a cube, you dip it in a paint, what's your red paint, let us suppose take, right? Hatao, bahar hatao, take it outside, and now cut down this cube into different number of pieces. Not audible. Take it outside. अरे यार, it is audible यार आदर्श, क्या हुआ भाई? आप एक बार चेक करो आपके सेटिंग्स, राइट? It is audible, right? My voice is audible. My voice is audible here. All right, done. So let's see this. Let's see the scenario here. I'll take one more black slide here. I'll take one more black slide. Now, once आराम से देखो. Let me draw the things there, then we can get more clarity. Let me draw the things there, then you can get more clarity. Now this is a cube here. Now आपने क्या किया, right? You have dipped this cube into a paint and removed. So only the outer surfaces will be having paint. Everybody is so clear regarding this. Now before going to that, let's find out what are the faces, what are the edges and what are the corners. अब आराम से देखो, this is nothing but called corner of a cube. How many of you will accept this? Yes, these are the corners of a cube. This is corner of a cube. How many corners will be there? Can anybody say? Corners are represented with this yellow dot. How many corners are there? Totally 8 corners are there in a cube. So those who have gone through material science also can easily answer this question here. Now, what is edge there? Now say this the edge there. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally how many edges are there in a cube? Edges I have written like this. Total 12 edges are there. Coming to the next one, how many faces are there? Faces, front, back, left, right, top, bottom. So totally there are 6 faces. These are the things. Now what you have done this, you have dipped this cube into a paint and removed it. Of course, you all know that only outer surface of the cube will be having paint. No inner surfaces will be having paint. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now आपने क्या किया? Now after dipping in a paint, taking outside, you have cut down this cube into 64 identical pieces. 64 identical pieces. Just for an example, you can take any number for example. So identical 64 pieces means automatically this has to be in the format of 4 into identical pieces means 4 into 4 into 4. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Chalo. In this 64 pieces, now this cube was made into 64 pieces. Now how many cubes will be having 6 face painted? There will be no such cube which will be having 6 face painted, because then only outer surfaces will be painted. Will any cube have 5 surfaces painted? No. Will any cube have 4 surfaces painted? No. The maximum faces that a paint can be there on a cube is only 3 faces, and that cube you can observe in the corner itself, right? This is the place where you can observe a cube which will be having 3 faces painted. Observe it, right? Am I right or wrong? Yes. So how many corners are there? Irrespective of the number of cuts, even though if you make million cuts, 3 face painted cubes will be only 8, and those 8 will be at the corners of a cube. So I'll write down there. 3 face painted cubes. Six, 5, 4 are eliminated, so I will do the 3 face painted cubes. How many will be there? 8 will be there. Okay, next one. I'll write down two-face painted cubes. Two-face painted cubes. Where will you observe two-face painted cubes? Normally you observe two-face painted cubes in edges. Am I right or wrong? I'll write down here. This is the place where you observe two-face painted cubes. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So see, I'll take down one edge outside. I'll take one edge outside. This is one edge. अब ध्यान से सुनो बेटा, right? This edge can be observed in only one axis. Either you can say length or breadth or height. Already I have explained you in the previous class, right? You can observe this edge in only one axis. Let us suppose take this, for how many cubes are there? 4 cubes are there, as already you know this. So I'll write down like this. 1 second, give me. 4 cubes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 4 cubes, this is corner cube. This is corner cube. So automatically in one edge, out of 4 cubes available, because it is 64 pieces for example, 2 are corner cubes and the remaining 2 are two-face painted cubes. Am I right or wrong? So such edges, how many edges are there? 12 edges are there. Each 12 into 2 will be how much? Your answer will be 24. Am I right or wrong? So let us find out the general formula. Done. You only said that you can observe. Sorry, I'll go back. You can observe edge in only one axis. So up dekho, let us suppose take, if you see straight, you can observe only 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see from side, you can observe only 4 faces. If you observe from top, you can observe only 4 edges, right? Not the faces, 4 edges. So automatically, what can I write down? See here on x-axis. 1 second. On x-axis, I can observe 4 edges. So on x-axis there will be x number of cubes. In those I have to remove 2 corner cubes. Now on y-axis there will be 4 edges and you can observe now z-axis. Z minus, of course, number of cubes is Z. I'll take down this. If they go, so see, add upon all those things, this will, you will get the answer. I'll write down here. 4 into x minus 2 plus 4 into y minus 2 means y means number of cubes on the y axis. Now, of course, it might be identical. It might not be identical in all the cases, right? Now this formula will give you two-face painted cubes. Two-face painted cubes. I hope so. I am clear. Clear? Done. So if I'll write down the condition here. If number of cubes on x, y, z has the same number. Same likewise the example what we have taken there, right? Ab dekho x per 4 cubes tha, y per 4, z per 4. So automatically what will be your formula there? So 4 plus in the place of y place also x will be there, z place also x will be there. Then your answer will be 12 into x minus 2. This is your answer. The number of two-face painted cubes. This will be your answer there. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. So 3 over, 2 over, let's come to one face painted. So everybody know, I'll take an one. Where do you observe one face painted, ma? You observe one face painted cubes on a face. Okay, so I'll draw this so that you can get more clarity regarding this. Done. Now observe there, right? I took a face from this cube outside. Now face matlab how many axes can you observe there? You can observe a face in two axes like this, either xy. So see here, you can observe a face either in xy, your normal 2D movie, right? Either yz, either xz, and everybody know about this. अब आराम से observe करो. So in this face, everybody know this is your corner face, this is your corner cube, this is your corner cube, this is your corner cube. This is your two-face painted, 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 two. Now the remaining thing will be how what ma? One face painted. Am I right or wrong? So in one face, how many one face painted cubes did you observe for this example called 64 pieces? Right? 4 pieces, right? So totally how many faces are there? 6. So your answer has to be 6 4s are 24. You need not worry ma, I can prove this, right? So see here also we got our answer as 24. So see here in the place of x, if you substitute 4, automatically 4 minus 2, 2, 12 2s are 24. I got the general formula very easily. I hope so you got my point clearly here. Done? Exactly. Let's come to the next point here also. So observe there. So in general, let us suppose I will go to the one more face. I will observe this face. I am taking down this. Already you have removed this corner. You have removed this corner for the front face. I have drawn in the next slide. So see here. So how many corners will be left over? 2 corners will be left over. Edges also up kuch edges remove kar diya. For the front face you have removed 4 corners. For the top face you have removed only 2 corners. Let's come to this one. And how many corners have to remove? Already you have removed this. You have removed this. So how many corners will be left over? 1, 2, 2 corners. Am I right or wrong? Hope so clear. No, this is also removed for this face. So only 1 corner has to be removed. Array sir, what is this? For every face the number is changing there. How can I remember all these things? Array, no need of worry. Let us make an equilibrium formula. Then automatically you can use that formula. You can get the answer there. Don't worry about that. So our aim is to get 24 answer. And that must be viable for all the things there. Done? Clear? And that must be viable. Done. Now let's come to this. Now how many faces can you observe in x and y? 2 faces, right? 2 into. So as that on an average, I will remove 2 cubes from x axis and 2 cubes from y axis. Second one. Yes. On an average, I will remove 2 cubes from, so 2 faces can be observed, 2 cubes from y axis and 2 cubes from z axis. On an average, so you can observe 2 faces on xz axis. I will remove 2 cubes from x axis and 2 cubes from z axis. So add all those things, you will get the answer there. So 2 into x minus 2 into y minus 2 plus 2 into y minus 2 into z minus 2 plus 2 into x minus 2 into z minus 2. Okay. And yes, so if I'll write down if the number of cubes on x, y, z axis are same number of cubes are there, then what will be the formula there? So see, in the every place I can write down x only, so my formula will become 6 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. This will be your answer there. So how many of you got this logic? Then you can substitute there. In the place you have to substitute 4 because I took this example called 64 pieces. So try this as I will be substituting 4 there. 4 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, 6 4s are 24 and I got the same answer there. And you can apply this formula for all the things now, right? It is not only for this, you can apply for all those things. Now the next concept is zero phase painted cubes. I'll show you how this zero phase painted cubes came. Means just likewise an orange, आपने skin remove कर दिया, so you'll get the inner part. So the same case zero phase painted. आप पूरा corners हटाओ, पूरा edges हटाओ, पूरा faces हटाओ, automatically the remaining things will be your zero phase painted. Am I right or wrong? अब देखो, I'll go back to the diagram there. अब देखो पूरा corners हटाओ, faces हटाओ, edges हटाओ. The inner core part is nothing but called zero phase painted cubes. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. So how to have a formula? So I'll show you that, right? So again, see here, in one phase you are removing 4 number of cubes. On top phase you are removing 2 number of corners. On side phase you are removing 1 number of corner. So this will give you so confusion, right? Each and every time separate numbers means you have to show more concentration to solve a question. So I'll write a general formula, right? So on a general basis, let's do one thing. Remove 2 cubes on x-axis, 2 cubes on y-axis, 2 cubes on z-axis. Then automatically you will get the answer there. So see here, 4 minus 2 to 8, and you have to get 8 answer there. अब देखो, corners are 8, edges are 24, faces are 24. So automatically what is the total? 8 plus 8, 16, 56. So totally it has to be 64 number of cubes. So this 8 is nothing but equal to zero phase painted. So automatically I got the complete number called 64. Done perfectly. So this is the general formula. Or otherwise, if x is equal to y is equal to z, x is equal to y is equal to z means same number of cubes are there. So automatically I can write down my formula as x minus 2 whole cube. Yes, I can write down this as x minus 2 whole cube. Here also you can write down this as 6 into x minus 2 whole square. That's not a problem. Done. Perfectly done, right? You will get the things perfectly, right? Hope so clear. Chalo. Now I am clear regarding this. Shall we go for the next one now? The point here is, sometimes let us suppose take, right, आपने एक cube gift, I mean Rubik's cube ने gift ले लिया for your friend. So you want to wrap this gift. So you will be using a wrapper. Similarly, this type of question will be asked in the examination. So what is that type of question means? Observe there. This one, what they ask is, how many cubes are required to cover the entire cube? How many cubes are required to cover the entire cube? For suppose, let us suppose take, this is a cube, yeah. So what are the cubes that you need to cover this entire cube? You need corners, you need edges, you need faces to cover a cube. Am I right or wrong? Observe it. This is the cube that you have, and you have to cover this entire cube. How to cover this entire cube? You need corners, you need edges, you need faces. Again, you might have a confusion regarding this, sir. I have to add 4 corners here. I have to add 2 corners here. I have to add 1 corners on the right hand side. So itna tension and itna concentration, I cannot do it. You make it as a general formula. Okay, fine. I'll do it. Now, dekho, this is your plain cube here. Let us suppose take x, y, z is nothing but your plain cube, original cube. To find out zero phase painted cubes, आपने क्या किया? You have eliminated, you have removed out cubes, corner cubes, edges and faces. Now I will add it. For removal, you have done minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. For addition, I'll add plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. And that will be the final answer there. So y plus 2 into z plus 2. अब देखो by this formula is nothing but the original cube plus number of cubes covered. Number of cubes covered. So our question is to find out the number of cubes covered beta. So how to find out this number of cubes covered? Right, let's see here. X, so x plus 2 into y plus 2 into z plus 2. I will subtract this minus x into y into z will give you your answer. Am I right or wrong? From original cube number, if you if from this value, if you subtract the original cube number, you will get the number of cubes which are used for cover the original cube. I hope so. You got my point clearly, right? So this is the thing that you have to learn, right? So what shall I will go for the question series for tomorrow's class. Let's complete the questions what we have left out in the previous class here. Okay, we will be continuing those questions in the previous class what we have done. Let me see there. So this is what I have done there. First question is done, third, fourth is done, fifth is not done, seventh is done, eighth is done. Right. So I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try these questions. Yesterday's question series continuation. Harshit Srivastava is there in the class. Many students were there in the class. 2 minutes. One minute more. The answer. No answer. Easy question. We have done it yesterday now. In an ice cream eating competition, there are 40 participants. Each of them eats at least 4 scoops, it seems. Each of them eat at least 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream. In all, 250 scoops of vanilla ice cream were consumed. Right? And how many ways could have been eaten the ice cream? As there are 40 members, what I will do, I'll write down like this. First one, second, so on up to 40th one. Now finally, let me know 40th one means, now what will be the scoop value there? Is it 250? Yes, it is 250. You closely observe there, my condition is my first person, every person has to eat at least, minimum he has to eat 4 scoops it seems. So I have to change my condition, so 1 dash plus 4. So this equation satisfies 0 also, but 0 is not satisfied, 0 must not satisfy here, right? At least the number has to start with 4. Second one also 2 dash plus 4. 40th one also 40 dash plus 4. So finally, can I write down my equation like this? 1 dash plus 2 dash, so on, 40 dash is equal to, so how much is this value there? 40 into 4, 160. 250 minus 160 is nothing but equal to 90. Let me know this value there. Yes, 90. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now, how many are there? 40 participants are there. I need 39 partitions. 90 plus 40 is automatically 130. 90 plus 39 will be 129. So automatically I will be drawing 129 blocks. Now this 129 blocks will be arranged in 129 factorial ways. In this there are duplicities here, 90 factorial into 39 factorial, and this is your answer there. We have done this many questions in the previous class, right? Now let me know the answer for this 2 minutes. So आज questions will be so interesting. Try this. Any answer? In a test match innings, the total number of runs scored by 11 batsmen A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. I'll write down up to K. So A plus B plus C up to K. So the total score is nothing but how much? 350 it seems from England. Given that no batsman failed to score. So in this condition, no batsman was duck out. Means I have to change the condition for each and every batsman. My A batsman, the condition has to be A plus 1 because it must not be 0. B, it must be not B 0, B dash plus 1. So on up to K, K must be K dash plus 1. Am I right or wrong? So those who watch later might be get confused. C also C dash plus 1. So finally my equation will be changing to A dash plus B dash plus C dash so on up to K dash. 11 batsmen are there na. So 11 batsmen are there, which is nothing but equal to 350 minus 11. Is it 339? Yes. So automatically how many blocks should I draw there? Closely up 11 batsmen are there. I need 10 partitions. So total I need 349 blocks. So I have to arrange this 349 blocks. So I'm converting into my own language one. 349 blocks. In those 339 are repetitions. 10 are one type. So I have to answer this now. This is your answer there. Of course, normal calculations you can do it later. And this acron questions also we have done it. This one. So most of the students get confused here only, right? Try this question. I'll solve this question. 50 seconds more. Any answer? Seconds more. Easy question, na? In how many ways? Up they go. The point here is up to 10 identical objects. Observe that it is not equal to can be distributed among 5 people. First, let us suppose I'll take those 5 people as A, B, C, D, E. A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Okay, which is nothing but equal to 10. Is it equal to 10? No, ma, it is not equal to 10. Up to 10 means it is less than or equal to 10. I gave you this concept in the previous class itself. Let us suppose that there are 12 gold coins. Adarsh is there. If Adarsh gives 9 to 5 people, how many gold coins will be left over with Adarsh? 1. If he gives 8, 2, 5, 5. So Adarsh's pocket can have a chance of 0 to 10. Am I right or wrong? So I have to rewrite this equation. Convert inequalities to equalities. A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus Adarsh pocket, I'll write down in writing, must be equal to 10. Am I right or wrong? Yes, must be equal to 10. So automatically closely observe there. Now how many people are there? 6 people are there. I need 5 partitions. Totally 15 blocks are available. 15 blocks must be arranged in 15 factorial ways divided by 10 factorial into 4 factorial. Am I right? No. 5 factorial, right? Because 6 persons are there now. 5 factorial. This is your answer there. And we have to do one more question here. This one, I want you guys to solve 6 one. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. The seconds, any answer? Aryan Kedar, sorry. So chalo, I'll do this. A group of 6 hunters went to hunt foxes. They managed to bag a total of 20 foxes, it seems. Let us suppose that the 6 hunters I'll be taking down as in how many different ways will they have shared this foxes? A, B plus C plus D plus E plus F. 6 members are there is equal to 20. That's it. This is your answer there. You got your answer there. Total 6 hunters are there. I have to give 5 partitions. So automatically I will be having 25 blocks. This 25 blocks can be arranged in 25 factorial divided by 20 factorial into 4 factorial. That's your answer. 6 members are there na? Sorry. I have to write this. I don't know what is this 4 fetish. 5 factorial. Hope so clear. Done. So let's solve the next question here. Let me come up with the next question. Second. Is this the question? No, we have solved this. This is the question. Try this. Any answer for this? अब देखो आराम से देखो what is the difference between previous question and present question, right? You might get little bit confused here. How many 4-digit numbers exist such that the sum of the digits is up to 7, it seems. Observe the previous question, it is equal to 7. Now you are not solving any equations, right? Now you are solving inequalities, right? अब देखो, let us suppose take my 4-digit number is A, B, C, D. Now if I add my digits A plus B plus C plus D, is it equal to 7? Is it equal to 7? No, it is not equal to 7. It is up to 7 means less than or equal to 7. Arey bhai, right sir? We have done up to now equations. मैं क्या करूँगा, right? I don't know how to do inequalities. चलो, I'll show you a simple language, right? आसान भाषा पर बोलूँगा, right? Let us suppose take Chauhan is there in the class. Chauhan के पास 7 gold coins था. He has to give it to 4 persons. And it is up to 7, right? So if he gives 6 coins to A, B, C, D, कितना coins बचेगा इस pocket पर? 1 coin था. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? If he gives 5 coins, 2 coins will be left over. Am I right or wrong? If he gives 3 coins, 4 coins will be left over. If he gives 2 coins to them, how many coins will be left over with him in his pocket? 5 coins. So can I write down like this? I will convert these inequalities into equalities. A plus B plus C plus D plus Chauhan's pocket plus P must be equal to 7. Am I right or wrong? If ABCD gets 6 coins, Chauhan pocket per 1 coin bachega. If you add those things, that will be equal to 7. And now I can solve the question very easily, right? So ab dekho, by 7 coins you have to share to how many people? 5 people. A, B, C, D, 5. 5 people matlab you need 4 partitions. So how many partitions you have to solve? 7 plus 4, totally it is 11. And this 11 blocks has to be arranged in 11 factorial ways. Divided by, are there any duplicities? Yes, there are duplicities. 7 coins and 4 partitions, right? This is my answer there. Ab dekho, I already proved in a normal layman language also. There is no need to prove it again and again, right? You will get the same answer if you do in a normal approach also. Chalo, let's see next question, right? How many will solve this question there? So I will be giving you again 2 minutes. Try this. Answers for this? Chalo, what's the question asked? How many numbers having up to 4 digits, it seems here? Here, okay, exists such that the sum of the digits is equal to 3. Now, up to 4 digits, matlab, it can be a 4-digit number. So see here, can be a 4-digit number. I'll write down like this: A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 7. It can be a 3-digit number. What shall I do? I'll write down like this: A, B, C, D. It can be a 3-digit number. It can be a 2-digit number. It can be a single-digit number. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yes. A plus B plus C is equal to 7. A plus B is equal to 7. A is equal to 7. So automatically everybody know if A is equal to 7, I can do only one thing. There is only one chance. Am I right or wrong? Okay, chance tha. Only one way. I'll write down this carefully here. Let us come to the next point there here. My A cannot be 0. So because if A is 0, it will be a 3-digit number. So I'll write down as A dash plus 1. So my equation changes to A dash plus B plus C plus D is equal to 6. Now they go, I can write down directly. There are 4 persons, 6 coins. So 3 partitions. So 9 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. I'll write down in one ink here. See this one. Again, the same case, a dash plus 1. So finally, what will be my equation there? So 3 persons, 2 partitions. This equation will become a dash plus b plus c is equal to 6. So it will be 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Same case, I write down for this also. My a must not be 0 means a dash plus 1. So my equation changes to a dash plus b is equal to 6. Yes. So what will be my answer there here? So 6 2 persons. So totally is 7 blocks. In the 7 blocks, 6 are of one type, 1 of one. Add all those cases, you'll get the answer there. Now, did you got the logic there? Up to 4 digits. It can be a 4-digit number, it can be a 3-digit number, it can be a 2-digit number. I hope so I made it clear for you. So in the same case, so try this question there. Let's see how many can solve this. The answer here. I'm not changing my format of explanation, my format of basics, what I have done. I'm doing with the same basic there. Now try, let us see this question there. आराम से देखो, how many numbers having up to 4 digits exist such that the digit is up to 7. Sum of the digits is up to 7, it seems. Either it is equal to 7, now it is up to 7, it seems. How? Let's see, right? If you, up to 4 digit means it can be A, B, C, D. I mean 4-digit number. It can be a 3-digit number A, B, C. It can be a 2-digit number A, B. It can be a single-digit number A. अब देखो, let us suppose take, I'll write down A plus B plus C plus D. And this 4-digit number might be equal to 7 and might be less than 7, right? Up to 7 means maximum limit is 7. It cannot go beyond that and it has to be below the numbers there. Now, if you closely observe that those who are in mechanical engineering, you can easily understand, right? In basic linear programming models, you will be doing the same thing, right? Maximization and minimization of the expressions, right? So those, that p value, that is nothing but called dummy value to make the equation viable, right? आराम से देखो, right? So can I write down the same equation like this? A plus B plus C plus D plus Chauhan ka pocket, right? I'll write down with rating plus P is equal to 7. And again अब देखो my a must not be 0 because if my a is 0 it will be 3-digit number. I have to frame 4-digit numbers. A dash plus 1. So finally the equation will become a dash plus b plus c plus d plus चौहान का pocket is equal to 6. Now आराम से write how many persons are there right now. 5 persons are there. You need 4 partitions, so totally 6 plus 4 10 blocks will be available. 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Now I'll write, shall I write down the equation directly here? I can write down the equation directly here. आराम से देखो, I'll write down directly, let a plus b plus c plus चौहान का pocket p must be equal to 6. Then what will be the answer there? A plus b plus c plus p is equal to 6 matlab, right? So the question here is 6 4 are there na, so 3 partitions you need, so 9 blocks are drawn. 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Now come to this one, I'll write down because I wrote the equation elaboratively, but I'm not writing again same thing there. A dash plus b plus चौहान का pocket plus p is equal to 6. So what will be the answer there here? 3 persons are there. You need 2 partitions. So totally 2 partitions, 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Come to this, right? Can I write down like this? A dash plus 1 is equal to 7. So so my a can be 7. I can write down like this, right? A dash plus 1 is equal to 7. My a dash is equal to 6. No. I have to write down like this. Sorry. A dash plus Chauhan ka pocket P is equal to 6. So automatically write 6 plus 1, 7 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 1 factor. Otherwise, you can easily answer this one. A can be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. कितना numbers आ गया? 7 numbers आ गया. So this is equal to 7 only. So and they go add all those equations and you will get the answer there. So I'm not doing the mathematical solvations, right? So that you can do all those things easily. I hope so I am clear regarding this. I gave you the best explanation, right? So shallow, we'll solve 2 more questions like this. Let's see how many can answer this. So 1 second, I have got one question there. This one. 2 minutes, try this. Any answers for this? Sorry, yeah. Any answers for this? Shall I solve it? Observe that Scrat has 24 acrons and 4 holes to hide them in. In how many ways can he distribute the acrons given that one particular hole his favorite must have at least 10 acrons, it seems. Let us suppose take 4 holes. I'll take the first hole as A, second hole B, third hole C, and fourth hole D. And A plus B plus C plus D has to be equal to 24 acrons. Because there is one particular hole which is his favorite, it seems. In that hole, it has to be at least 10 acrons. So my favorite is A. My A value has to start with at least 10. Previously, we took 1 because according to the equation there. So is it A dash plus 10 now? This, because my A has to start with 10. Perfect. So A dash plus B plus C plus D is equal to how much? Is it 14? Yes, it is 14. Now, in how many ways can you make it? There are 4. Let us, how many partition do you need? 3. 14 plus 3, 17 blocks you will be drawing there. 17 factorial divided by 14 factorial into 3 factorial. This is my answer. I hope so you got my answer there. Done. And this way we can solve many questions there. So find this approach there which will be damn helpful for you to solve the questions there. So I hope so I'm clear. So today I will forward most of the questions to you here. And as I already informed you, we are segregating the categories for hassle-free experience into 4 separate subscriptions, right? So mechanical, chemical 1, civil 1, CS and ECE 1, right? Observe this. Those who want to watch all the 6 branches, yes, you can subscribe right now. And again, you know that I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats with my code NLN10, right? Combat, as you know, that it's an scholarship test conducted by Unacademy. Based upon the marks, you can get at least 25 to 100% discount. Yes, you can unlock my free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. The price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. As you know, there is a price hike coming soon, and do try to subscribe before the price hike. And we have introduced one more 9-month subscription also. So those who are aiming at GATE 2023, this will be a better way to plan, and you will be getting extra 2 months also. So see here, for 12 months you will be getting extra 3 months. For 18 months you will be getting extra 4 months. For 24 months you will be getting extra 4 months. Done. And for iconic, the price will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. As already we said that we have decreased the price of iconic, so to cater to more students, those who want to subscribe to iconic and get best physical notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? And those who are aiming at only test series, right, weekly solutions, detailed solutions of your performance, you can go for GATE Lite subscription, which will be damn helpful for your test preparations. And again, if you have any doubt, you need not wait for anyone's help, right? You can click the picture of your doubt, upload in doubts and solutions, select your preferred language, and you'll get the video solution within minutes. And you can ask 3 doubts at a time. So do try to join my special classes, right? As I have dealt for at least 120 colleges, right? Special classes, right? On campus placements, my strategies will be damn surely helpful to crack the dream company placements, where our interaction levels will be 10x more than on YouTube, right? It will be a gamified and electrifying environment. Do try to join this and join this Telegram group. You'll get all the updates regarding the classes and upcoming courses by all the educators, not only me. And Please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, like download the PDF from the Telegram group, hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat.